I spent a whole lot of money on these Amika hair products. We're going to test them out. I have the Hydro Rush shampoo along with the Hydro Rush Intense Moisture Mask. Now, apparently this is supposed to be for very dry hair, which is mine. So we're going to see how it goes. I do have a question on, is this more so for if a person has natural hair and they want to straighten it? My plan today is to do a natural hairstyle, so we're going to see how it goes. So my hair is wet. Let's go ahead and try the shampoo. Smells good. All right. So it's pretty loose in consistency, a little bit runny, but that's good for a shampoo because I guess that means it's going to go through my hair. Okay, let's see. And you know what? It instantly feels so soft. There are sometimes I put shampoo in my hair and it feels hard and like it's just drying all my scalp, my hair, everything out. This is soft. This is good. A whole little goes a long way. Cause like y'all see the front, right? You see the back. Ain't nothing now. And I just went straight in with the moisturizing shampoo because I don't want to overly dry out my hair. Lately it has been feeling a little overly dried out. I'm really making sure I get that scalp because that's a problem area for me. Sometimes my scalp will have like dandruff and whatnot. So trying to make sure I clean it good along with hydrating my body, watching the foods that I'm eating because I don't want to be creating bacteria, growth, yeast, all that kind of stuff in my body and on my scalp. I'm going to go ahead and get my little massage thing because this is the perfect time to stimulate hair growth with the massager. When I say I passed this up for like a year or more, and the first time I used it, I was like, OMG, why did I not get it sooner? When I tell you, it is so relaxing just to give it a nice, good massage. And I got my eyes closed because it feels good. All right, I'm gonna finish massaging and then I'm gonna rinse it out and we'll be back for conditioner. Okay, I am back. Everything's all washed out and this is what the hair looks like. It feels nice and soft. I will say that, considering that I just shampooed, because again, sometimes you shampoo and it feel like a brush, a broom from outside. It's just dry. Now let's move on to the conditioner. A little top inside of here, so pop this out, and I like that because it's kind of like a seal to the product. Smells similar to the shampoo. It smells really good. Ooh, not touching this. This one is thick. So now, since it's conditioner, I'm gonna grab sections and start working it through, focusing mostly on my ends. Ooh, you can't be losing product, girl. These are expensive. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and start sectioning the hair. My first impression as it's in my hair feels like it is giving my hair a glass of water. Like it felt like my hair was thirsty and it is meeting its needs, okay? You notice I was able to easily detangle, like to make this little section, so that's also a plus because some stuff is like your hair just be matted, knotted, and that's not what I'm experiencing right now. I'm gonna go in with the unbrush to start making sure that product has made its way all the way through that section. Give y'all a close-up view of it. So some of these ends I need to trim. I'm going to do that today too, but just showing how the brush is able to easily glide through my hair. So I am extremely excited about that, and I'm just going to twist this section, and as you can see I have conditioner in here. How it's doing on the twist. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of the sections and then give you feedback in just one moment. All right, I only did the front two sections, but I decided to come back and show y'all this middle section because it's my thickest and most coarse section. So I wanted to show y'all how it did there. I'm applying the conditioner to the whole area, working my way from the ends up. I'll open up the section just to make sure I have the middle part detangled too. Because again, it's just really super thick, so but I want y'all to see how well it is going through the hair. That is the whole section. Easy. So I'm really liking it. All right, so this is everything all detangled with the deep conditioner in. I love it, okay? Genuinely, because it went through my hair so easily. It made detangling and getting the conditioner in so much easier in comparison to some of the other products that I've used. Now, it does not say to go sit under the hair dryer and deep condition, but I just need to deep condition at this point in my life, okay? Because I am really growing my hair back out and I'm about the business when it comes down to healthy hair. I want my hair to look good when it comes down to first impressions, and I'm a 9-to-5 girl. I am a nurse leader, so when I go out and about in the world, I need to make sure that I'm looking on point, you know, regardless to what my role is. That's just me as a whole. Like, I am in this upgrade season of my life, so I want my face to be put together. I want my hair to be nice. I want everything to look nice. So we're going deep condition. So the hair is rinsed from the conditioner, and here's where it's at. I don't know if y'all can see the juice, baby, but it is juicy. It is juicy. It is juicy. I'm sorry, okay. I am so happy and satisfied with this right now. It is soft. It is It is manageable. It feels like it's going to be easy for me to style my hair. So, like, do y'all see? Oh, baby. Oh. All right, I'm excited. So, I'm going to keep using it. Am I going to keep buying it? We're gonna see, okay? Sometimes products, you have to keep doing it and using it to see if you really love them. So I'm gonna see about that. Do I really love it after like a month or two? And then, y'all, the products are expensive. So that is what I have to see. Like, okay, do I not have any other options? Is this the best thing for me? It's also expensive going to the beautician. So if this is cheaper and keeps my hair nice and healthy, then I might roll with it. But we shall see. Oh my goodness, it feels so good. I'm so excited. Okay, because my hair, it needed this, y'all. Oh, so this is great. I'm going to show you the finished results. So I'll be back. All right, so right now everything is taken down and it looks healthy, shiny. So this is day 1 hair, okay? I wanted to show y'all comparison. This is day 5 hair. And when I tell y'all, the bigger my hair gets, the more compliments I get. Do you see that volume and shine? It has my color vibrant. You know how you wash your hair with some products and it's like your hair look dry? This has its own shine. And the thing about it, the only time I really be seeing that shine is when I do a silk press. So that's why I'm so super excited about this actually working, because baby, each strand looks glossy, okay? Something is tested and true. When you keep on using it and you keep getting the same result, you know that you won. If you haven't done so already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. We are getting this channel to 10K, baby. Make sure you subscribe so you can see videos just like this. Toodles!